Create equippable NFTs at Singular.app. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create equippable NFTs exclusively for me project. Click on Create button on the top menu and select Base Chain to start with. Important to refer that you will need Ethereum on Base Chain in your wallet to pay for the gas. Click Create Collection. Upload or drag and drop the logo of the collection. Write the name of the collection. Write a symbol for your collection or click on the magic wand to assign a random one. Write a description for your collection. To finalize, set the royalty percentage you want to earn from secondary sales. Click Create and confirm the transaction on your wallet. Now select the collection you just created. Click in Create New Asset. Upload or drag and drop the image you want to mint. Do the same process for a thumbnail. Write the name of your asset, as well the description of it. Fill in the attributes field. This is optional, so no need to do it if you don't want. Click on Equippable Asset. A new menu will open. By default, Me Collection is selected. Select which slot your equippable NFT will fit. Head, body and background are the options available. Click on the button Add New Asset Entry and confirm the transaction on your wallet. Now select the number of copies you wish to mint of that NFT. Click Create and confirm the transaction on your wallet. At this point you can list for sale your NFT. In case you prefer to try to equip it, first you need to mint your free Me avatar skin. Click on the Me button on the menu. Select the skin you wish and click on the button to mint. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. That's it. You can now see the skin you minted. Let's go back to your equippable. You can find it in your space. Select Add to NFT. Select the skin NFT that you just minted. Click Send and confirm the transaction on your wallet. Now go to your space. Look for the skin NFT you minted. Click on it. You will see that the equippable NFT you send is now pending to be approved. Click on it and in the button Accept. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. Now go to View Inventory. Select the equippable NFT you have created, and click on the slot assigned. Click Save Changes and confirm the transaction in your wallet. That's it. Now this NFT is equipped into your Me avatar. For additional instructions, please check our Learning Hub at Singular.app.